Good Friday morning, everybody. Finally Friday, and I don't think I am working this weekend, thank goodness, other than I'm probably gonna have to come out here tomorrow in the morning and pick up the skid steer off this job. I probably won't have time this afternoon to get it off the job, but that's all right. So we're out here on this 3-day mulching project, just mowing stuff down. It's basically a clear cut, and we'll take a quick look at what we got, see what we did yesterday, and get started. Okay, so I did all this little section right here, and then around that corner, that whole block, I did that on Wednesday. Yesterday, on Thursday, I basically started right there where that little trail starts. I cut that trail. It goes all the way back around where those oaks are back there. This kind of makes like a check mark like that. And so they want this whole block right here done. So I basically did to there, to that corner there, and then right where those bigger trees are, there's an old house or shanty, or somebody dumped some stuff, and there's a bunch of metal and block in there. So talked to the client about that yesterday. We're just going to circle around all that. I can't do anything with that. That'll all have to be grubbed out with an excavator. So we're just going to continue down that line. I'm going to leave a little bit of a buffer. I'm going to peel a little bit of this buffer back, just a little bit, but not much right there. And we're just basically going to continue hogging out that all of those little pines right there and gums all the way back around that corner, and just cut as much as we can. I may go ahead and start a new cut right there where that cottonwood tree is going right there, and just start making a new cut block going back that way, and just hog out as much as we can today. So I just got some fuel and grease in the machine. Got the teeth sharpened on the TMC Kinsella, and I am loving this thing and its production in here. We probably did every bit of 2 to 3 acres yesterday with this thing. It is just kicking ass and taking trees in this environment out here, making really good production because there's not a whole lot of trees to work around. So nice sharp teeth. And don't forget, if you guys like the content and you're liking this mulcher and you're in mulching or thinking about getting into mulching, and you want one of these mulchers for a skid steer or an excavator or a PTO tractor, my friends over at CC Equipment have them in stock, and they can get them shipped out to you wherever you are. There is a link in the description and a phone number to look them up, so they'll hook you up. So let's get to grinding. get a little mid-job report here. Finally made my way back down to this corner. That section right there is the block we cleared yesterday. Or that might have been, no, that was day before yesterday, my bad. Wednesday. So got down here, right on the other side of this little brush line here is a trail that basically runs the property line, kind of goes like that, and then comes back out where I started yesterday. And I cleaned that trail up for them the last time I was here. It was already there, but we went down it, and I just kind of mowed it, cleaned it up a little bit. And it is really windy out today. We may get some rain. I think there's like a little bit of a tropical system that's kind of working its way up the coast into North Carolina. I think we're getting kind of the tail end of it. It's really breezy out and a lot cooler out today, which I love. May get some rain later this afternoon. Apparently yesterday it rained everywhere back at the beach except here. Like, I got back down into where I live down in Conway and Myrtle Beach, and everyone's like, yeah, it poured rain. I was like, I didn't see a drop, which was great out here yesterday. But we got to work that back just a little bit further through there. But I'm probably gonna go back down to where I started this morning and start working that cut back into that corner there and cleaning that up a little bit. I got to put some fuel and some def in the machine really quick. We'll do that, and then we'll go ahead and go back down to that corner and get started. See how much more we can get done today. right, everybody, that is the day today. It's Friday. Had this nice little tropical system come in. Hasn't really, like, it's rain, but it's more like of a drizzly rain than it is like a pouring rain. So it's actually kind of nice because it's just kind of wet and damp enough to keep the dust down, which most of this in here wasn't too dusty anyway, but it does help a little bit. The machine's actually fairly clean, not too bad. But we got a lot done in here in 3 days. I am super happy with the production. The owner just came by, dropped me off a check for my time, and he is very happy with everything. Told me he's probably gonna have me back out here for another 3 days next month. We still got to finish this block right here. Going on back, there's probably about an acre-ish left to do. We still got to peel a little bit off this line right here, and maybe peel a little bit off down there, and then take this sort of triangle back that way. And then we got to do all that over there too, back to that ditch. That's not a whole lot over there though. And then maybe come back with the mini, grub that out if they want me to. So, oh, let me clean the screen here. We got some rain on there. We go. So yeah, this is looking good. TMC did a great job in here. I put this thing through hell in here the last 3 days, and it did a great job. Got a little slower going in this little section right here. A lot more gums than pines, and the gums are a little tougher wood fiber to chew up than the pines. Someone asked me in the comments on the video I posted this morning over there where I finished up the jungle pine, asked me what do I like the best grinding up, you know, like pines, because they smell really good. And honestly, pines do smell pretty good, but these sweet gums have a really nice scent to them too when you grind them up. It's a really sweet, pleasant smell to them. They smell really good when you grind them up, and they make a really good mulch too. I really like you can see right here, the gums just make a really nice mulch. They mulch up really nice. The thing with pines is when you get the tops of them, these needles are real hard to turn into mulch. They basically just stay needles, but the gums really chew up nice and make a good, nice, fine mulch. But they're a little tougher to chew up than the pines. But yeah, this thing did awesome. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys want one, go to get a hold of my friends over at CCE, because they have got them, and I'm really liking this thing. Put it through hell in here today, did a great job. ASV did a great job. It was good. It was a good 3 days in here doing this clear cut. Very happy with the production. The owner's happy. Everybody's happy. Good to go. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, pick this thing up, and then I'm off to the expo in Louisville to see Dirt Perfect's gonna be there. Let's Dig 18's gonna be there. My buddy Sam over at TriStar Digging's gonna be there. Diesel Creek's gonna be there. We got a whole smorgasbord of my friends that are gonna be there. Can't wait to go see them. Go to Louisville. A little bittersweet. I wish Misty was with me. She always loved going to Louisville with me and having a good time, but still gonna go and have a good time and see everybody. So yep, that's that. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back. Look for these videos will come out the week of I'm at the expo. These 3 videos will come out that week, and then I'll obviously have some footage from the expo, and then we'll be back the next week. We got plenty more stuff to do, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have a great weekend, have a great week, and I'm out of here. Bye, everybody.